Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, the Abby-licious, and for today's video, we are reviewing another Amazon wig. So of course you think I would learn my lesson from the last time I ordered a wig off Amazon, because that experience was horrible for my very first time. I decided to try them again at a different seller. Now, when you are buying wigs off Amazon, you have to sift through all them sellers. You have to sift through all them bad reviews and find something that you think you're comfortable with. Now, to be honest, this wig was $99, I think, so $100. You're gonna expect to see a lot of bad reviews. You're gonna expect not to have like a great quality wig, because that's what you're paying. If you want good quality wig, then you're gonna pay $200, $300, $400, even $500 to get that type of wig. Now, of course, I didn't feel like spending all that money, and I'm not really going anywhere. I just really want to try a wig out from Amazon, really. So, not paid or sponsored. But anyways, let's go into the details of this wig. Now, in the description on Amazon, screenshot the wig right here. Or right here, it says it's straight hair, yes, 13x4 HD lace, not HD lace, 150 density, more like a 120. It's thin, okay? It could be 150, I don't know. It's thin to me. It's pre-plucked and it comes with baby hair. That's what it says in the description. Now, I part out, you know, like a thin layer as possible. Those weren't baby hairs. I don't know if there was some long ass baby hairs, but the wig didn't come with baby hair and didn't come pre-plucked. I had to pluck the hell out of this wig. Right, the lace is super thick. It is medium brown lace, and after bleaching the knots, which is super huge, but those knots are so huge, like I was bleaching the knots for like an hour. Like, it literally took that long. Like, I kept checking it. The knots was just not having the bleach. Nonetheless, the pros of having big knots that you won't over bleach the lace. You can lace it for a long period of time, but of course you got to keep checking it because it's bleaching. Once you mess the lace up, you mess the lace up. You can correct it, but girl, it's a lot of maintenance to get the wig looking how you want it to look. Is it worth the money? Yes, because it is still looking good, and you know, I'm sure you're not going to be wearing this wig if you're paying $100 for it like a whole month, you know what I'm saying? But something to just a quick looking cute, going about your business, whatever, you can take it off, wash it, we-wear it another time. But I don't think it's like a long-term commitment to buy a $100 wig. But is the wig good quality? No, you can find this wig the same quality as the beauty supply store. This is just my honest review, you guys. Like, they didn't pay me or sponsor this wig. This wig ain't free, so I can say whatever I want to say. But anyways, yes, so like I said, it's a $100 wig. It's looking good. I'm not gonna lie, like, it's looking good, but I just gotta be honest with you guys and tell you guys what I had to go through with this wig. But anyways, I'm gonna show you guys how I unbox the wig and everything, and then we're gonna get into the tutorial. And that is all I have for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know what you think about this wig, if you want me to review other wig or other wig companies, or if there's any wig that you recommend off Amazon. Please let me know. I will leave the link of this wig in the description box. If you feel like you can slay if you want to. I mean, it's $100 wig. Why not get a 20-inch wig for $100? I don't care wherever you get it. I would have spent the money too and just try to fix it up how you can. Like, a lot of these wigs, you do have to do some type of maintenance to it to keep it looking the way how you want to. So yeah, if you want to buy it, the link is in the description box. And that is all I have for you guys. Bye.